Hey there, it's Beth, and I have a really quick video showing you how to import files from Spiegel Mom Scraps. These are cut files that we're going to go ahead and import into Design Space. So the first thing you need to do is find your files and download them to your computer. And that is what I'm doing right here. They're in my email, and I'm just going to go ahead and download these. And then the next thing that you're gonna do is upload them to Design Space. So I have Design Space open already, and the best way to do this is to find your files. You can either click the open button or you can drag and drop. So you're gonna see me click on upload here, and I'm clicking on upload image, and then I'm going to take this file and drag it in to Design Space. Once I do that, it's pretty much an easy process, especially with cut files. And these cut files are awesome. So for this cut file, I'm clicking on the moderately complex because it's all black. There's really not much going on here. And then I'm going to zoom out and just make sure that everything is fine and everything will be cut out. So you can see that everything is blank, and then I'm going to save it as a cut image, not as a print and cut, as a cut image. And then I'm going to go ahead and click save here, and the image will be there. I'm going to go ahead and do one more. So I'm going to click on upload image. Then I'm going to minimize this and just drag it, because when I click on the downloads file, it takes me a minute to find things, and you're going to see that happen here in a second. And that's not what I want to do, because I want to make this process easy. So I'm going to grab this Polaroid cut file, which I think is adorable. And then I'm going to click on moderately complex, because again, it's not a complex file. And you're going to see my first mistake here. And you see how the file has the white there in the middle of the Polaroids? What you're going to want to do is actually select and erase those. And I didn't when I first uploaded it. So I'm going to go ahead and I minimized it, and then I'm going to click the next button, and there it is. And you can see if I click on save as a cut image, it's not going to look like a Polaroid at all. So I backed out of that, and then I didn't save it, so it's not there. And I'm going to click on upload image. And this is where I was talking about my downloads being a mess. And so I'm just going to minimize this again and drag and drop it in there. And yet again, it's moderately complex. Click continue. And then I'm going to click this little eraser tool, not that one, the magic erase. And I just have to click in the white spots. And you can see the white goes away. And then I will end up with a Polaroid looking image. So I'm going to go over here and click the next button. I'm going to save as cut image, and you can see that now it's going to cut out the inside of these. And I think those are going to be amazing for a scrapbook layout, and I'm really inspired to use that. So I'm going to show you now. I've clicked all of those images that I've uploaded, and I'm going to import them into a file. Or into a canvas, I mean. And you're going to see that everything uploads super big with Design Space. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just resize all of your images. And I'm just clicking on them and picking a random smaller number just so we can see them all here on the canvas. All of these images from Spiegel Mom Scraps, which I think are amazing. And that is it. It's super easy to work with these files with Cricut and Design Space, and they're going to cut out beautifully. My Cricut Maker is not currently on, so when I click the next button, it's going to have a moment, and I'm going to have to be done because it's not going to do anything. But you can arrange these on your mat to cut wherever you want them, and they look perfect. All right, that's it for me. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you for using the Spiegel Mom Scraps cut files. They are really, really awesome, and I highly recommend checking Jody out. She's amazing and has the best sequins and cut files. Alrighty, that's it. Bye.